Alright you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that bad smell in your car. I'm gonna use this right here, ArmorAll Smoke X. There's 1 can per car. So what you have to do, check this bottle up real good, open the cap and put it in the middle of your car. But before you do that, you have to start the car, turn on the fan all the way up, full speed, and turn on the recirculation. All right. And place the can right there. This one I already shook it up real good for about a minute or two. Before you activate the can, the smoke can, make sure all of your windows are closed, sealed and tight, all the doors are closed. Start up your car, turn on the fan to the maximum speed, and turn on the recirculation mode. All right. And I would advise you before you start doing this to replace the cabin air filter first. It'll help a lot. All right. Now go ahead and start up your car. Okay, now turn on the fan all the way up. Turn on the recirculation mode. In that way, it doesn't pull the outside air in. Recirculation is just the air inside the car. All right, once you activated the can, you need to get out of the car and make sure no one's in the car because it's really dangerous. So gotta let it circulate inside the car for 15 minutes. And then after that, you can shut off the car, open all the doors and window, and let all of that smoke out. All right, here we go. Now you can see all that smoke in there. Once the can is empty, just leave it in there for 15 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Go ahead and open all the doors. And shut off the motor. Now just leave all the doors open for about 10 minutes before you start driving the car. Let's open the back too, just to help out. Wow, that's incredible. It smells so good in here now. So that's it, you guys. That's pretty much it. Very simple. Just one little can get rid of that weird bad smell inside your car. Even a cigarette smoke inside your car, you'll get rid of that too. All right, that's it, you guys. If you like the video and learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.